Oh, morning. How you doing? Good.
Turn this down.
You are?
Dude, I fucking love you so much, Mark. You're the man.
Really?
Appreciate you. How you doing?
Right, appreciate it. What did you get up to yesterday? Oh, Net's here. Yeah, Net.
Today I went to the Giants game. Actually, yeah, I went to the Giants game. It was really fun.
Oh, cool. You are?
Nate, unmute, bitch.
What up?
He
What up?
said, dude.
I do, mate. You all right?
I don't know. All I gotta say is that I was literally talking about you guys like probably 15 minutes ago to like I was with a couple of my friends. I was looking at the charts obviously, but I was just talking about my talking to my friends about how much like I mean, I don't know. Nate, Dave, Mark, fucking Sava. You guys are the boys. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for showing up. Appreciate you
Are you
guys.
drunk?
No. I'm just saying that like earlier. I'm no. I'm just appreciative. I'm literally just appreciative. I swear to God.
Dude.
It's something that like it's something that you don't get to express all the time, but I just want to say that I appreciate all you guys because like I think about like if I didn't have you guys like come on and you know talk to and shit type thing. You know, I don't know. Just feeling appreciative tonight.
Yeah, it's okay.
Appreciate
But
you
you're
guys.
drunk, so it's cool.
No, bro, come on, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, bro. I'm not.
Man.
No.
You're on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can't right now, but I think I don't know. He sent it to you, but I think Royal just sent me some dark arts, like super secret stuff, like
On a course.
Dr. Pepper. Kinda. It's like Dr. Pepper recipe sauce, like for trading. It's mind blowing. I've been
Sent
like
to me. What
testing
the
it
fuck? I didn't guess. I didn't. No one sent it to me.
because you know
Get
why?
No
Because
one sent it to me. The fuck?
Dave is lovable because everyone.
I know.
loves
Everyone loves Days. I know for
Dave
sure.
is
For sure.
Canadian.
I know.
So, Hey,
What up, YouTube
hey,
chat? You guys are all
hey.
the best. I know. I'm gonna get to you guys in a second. Magic Tech, thank you so much for being here. Is it an OB on gold, sir? Order block on gold. Let's check it out. Order block on gold. Yes. So as you guys can see, I already had the liquidity taken out. Damn, I missed the fucking idiot.
GJ, thank you.
Right in the demand. We're here though, guys. We're here.
Royal, you there?
Screen is black. Can't see. What the
good?
fuck? Wait, someone said the screen is black. Can you get? Is the screen on YouTube black?
Bro,
I
Naz is
Someone said the
gone.
screen's black.
No, it's not. Hello, teacher. Why are you? Why are you?
Just refresh. You'll be okay.
All right, I'm refreshing.
Not you.
F5.
Chat.
Oh,
Yeah,
chat
you're
refresh.
good,
Chat
you're
refresh.
good.
Everyone, chat refresh. Oh, it's good. Water 09FX. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, we're gonna get into a second, guys. Like I said, I appreciate just all you guys showing up, all everyone at VIP showing up. Wait, let's name other people: Royal, Nate, Mark, Dave. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys,
GJ's melting right now too.
did you get in?
Yeah, one of the order that I placed that I sent in the chat.
Yeah,
I
fire.
literally almost got stopped out by like 0.001 of a pip, like just barely. Just a
Bunch of
fucking-
goats.
a cunt hair away.
What are you in, Dave?
USD cat.
No way.
Okay.
Bro, you're actually in USD CAD? Buys?
Yeah.
Fire, bro. Break your retest, or what did you get before that?
A mix of the new secret sauce and my original sauce.
It's like a bundle plus like
Yeah.
you wish you knew. It's like a bundle. It's like the
Yeah.
bundle plus like what you wish that. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's the super sauce.
It's
Yeah.
I sent it to you, Luca. That I'm telling you, bro. This shit's
So what? I had to pause the music because Dave is just speaking sauce. So everyone in YouTube chat, I'm gonna pause it for a second just because Dave and Royal are speaking, and I want to hear what they have to say. Say it again.
bro. Like I'm telling you that this is the shit, bro.
Tell
Like,
me, I'm so
dude.
appreciative. I'm open to like I'm just like just tell me. Open
No
to it.
joke.
dude.
No joke. I just took
Oh, GJ
okay
card.
Uber small lots
Is it
because
just
those
waiting for
testing.
liquidity and then going or what? Like that's what I've been looking at.
No, those, bro, those candles, bro. Those
Bro,
candles.
tell me, what about the candles?
I just took 4 trades in 10 minutes, and all
No,
four of
you
them
did
hit
not.
TP3.
There's
Yeah,
no way. No.
this dude, Naz is running like 1 to 3 risk reward right now, just off of this one
Nas?
simple fucking thing, bro. That shit's bleeding.
Dude,
Yeah, bro.
What's the one simple
fucking
thing, you fuckers? You guys are a bunch of dickheads. Tell me,
Royal is like a
Dave.
transformer. He
Fuck,
transformed into an ATM.
I started a live stream, David Roll, like, okay, guess what, I guess. Fuck, I'm like, just tell me, like, I'm curious.
Go up to your go up to where it says indicators.
Yeah.
Click the little
Man,
candles up there.
No, Dave's just say no. I know Dave doesn't want
Wait,
to tell
I
me.
gotta let Dave do it. I gotta let Dave do
I
it.
know, let Dave do it. No, let Dave do it. Let Dave do
You do it, but hey, wait.
it. What? It's like a chaotic stream, and the chat is like, holy shit.
Does do we do it? Give it for free or like?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
there's only 13 people online. There's only 13 people.
Yeah, but
I know, guys. Everyone, listen. Dave. So everyone who's in the chat, you guys already know. I go live every single night on YouTube with my friends.
What the fuck?
Dave has always been on the Zooms, literally since I probably had like 100 subscribers. I obviously have like 1,100 now. So Dave's been here since day one. Met Royal. Royal's been a fucking OG. I literally go live with these guys every single night. Fucking Mark, Nate, Royal, Dave. Like, these are the guys. Everyone in YouTube chat, like, just because you're here to see like my name technically or whatever, I know for a fact a lot of you guys listen to what these guys have to say. So I'm just pausing it. The music, obviously, to listen to what they have to say because it's so valuable every single time. So Nate or Dave or Royal or Mark, like, just go. Like, it's fine.
Oh,
Okay.
Dave can go ahead.
Like, I appreciate
Dude,
all your
I was
guys'
doing-
insights all the time.
Dude, I'm throwing you the ball because no joke, I just drank like almost like because I got so excited.
Mhm.
So I just drank like a liter of like caffeine and stuff, and I really need to pee. So
Who the fuck,
And-
Nate? You're 40
you all
pips in
built up?
profit? Nate is
And
40 pips
Royal-
in profit right now. Holy fuck.
Yes, sir.
Royal doesn't have an accent, so
I
I'm gonna pee
know.
in
I
beer.
know. Yeah, hopefully Royal will have an accent when we get back. I know we're good. I'm kidding. Royal doesn't have an accent, Dave. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe for Canadians, but
Just before I go, I'm 18 pips in profit now.
What's
Let's
your
go,
name?
bro.
I have
Let's
2
go.
positions in GJ sells, and I have 1 position in gold buys.
I'm in GJ cells.
dude, I'm actually gonna like I'm gonna murder all of you guys. I swear to God. It's like everyone in
TP2
this
I
just got
chat.
posted them. I posted mine in the group chat.
All right, there we go, guys. Everyone in the chat room. If you're not in the VIP chat room, these are literally
You need to
so many
link up.
trades. So
Gotta get
many
in there, bro.
trades. So
Gotta
many
get in the chat room.
trades. YouTube, 15 people viewing. These are all people that like I didn't even call trade yet. I'm literally came on, call trade. These are all people who are in almost a TP2. Got in before landed fire. Like literally, these are all the goats.
TP2 just got hit on Naz. Let me see if that should keep going, bro.
All right, I started the music again, but whenever these guys talk, I'm gonna mute it because it's so valuable. You guys have no idea. It's kind of wild. It's so wild, honestly, to me. Like, I never talk that talk, but like my chat room is fucking insane. I'm so appreciative for everyone that's like in my VIP because they're all like actually people who are like continuously getting better day by day, and it's so fucking lit. Like Nate, Royal, Dave, like guys. I mean, anyone in the chat room who has seen Dave like a year ago when he started to like now, like he's making 5K a day from making $50 a day within a year.
I want that to be my success story.
It
I'm
will
5
be,
months
bro.
into
Like
it.
you started trading how long ago?
5 months.
It's like that's stupid to me. It makes me sad. Like it not makes me sad because obviously you surround yourself with the right people, but like I'm so proud of you, bro. Like you're gonna, like, you know, it's lit, bro. It's really just lit. Nate on the podcast, Luca. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit, Nate. Nate, we got
Soon enough.
some. We got some
Catch me up by 1
YouTube.
year.
Yeah, we got
Catch me up
some
by 1 year.
guys. It takes a little bit more than. I mean, obviously, like we're gonna get some like NLT chat room shit, but I swear, guys, like that's the goal. I want to interview NLT members for sure. Once they get those payouts, once they get those fucking success stories, bro, I swear to God, they will for sure be on this podcast. 100%. I'm recording a new one with a cool person next tomorrow that you guys will enjoy. But yeah, I appreciate you on YouTube saying, recognizing the people in my chat room, because like I never like will ever say it's just me. At the end of the day, like I will be like, I have Nate, I have fucking Royal, I have Dave, I have Mark. Like there's not like it's not just me, guys. It's not just me. I got the fucking boys on my side. As you guys see, the demand has been absolutely blown through. There's been no pullback at all.
Oh, did he spill
Absolutely
the
nothing
sauce
like-
or?
No, I've been waiting for you. You said you were gonna go piss, and then you came back to us for the sauce, but I'm waiting.
Yeah, but I wanted him to do it because no accent.
I don't know. Someone in YouTube chat just said though I got hemorrhoids. So I don't know. It should be-
Wait, where? I want to see that.
Someone in the chat room said I got hemorrhoids. My mentor made 300K today. That's
I got
fucking
you.
dope, bro. At the end of the day, guys, if you guys find a mentor who's doing what you want to do and you want to copy him, go for it. At the end of the day, like I'm living a comfortable life. I'm a full-time trader. I have no daytime job. I hope that the people in my group want to follow me and do what I'm doing, but I'm not making 300K a day yet. But guess what? If you stick on the stream and you stick in VIP until I start doing that, guess what? You're a part of the fucking ride, and you're gonna be doing the same thing as me. That's all I'm saying. It's the same shit. That's all I say. You could say your mentor made 300K. Guess what? That's fucking great for him, and I would never hate on them. Because guess what? That's shit I'm trying to do. So why would I hate on another person? His name is Misha, but I don't think he is real. Oh, go, bro. Misha. Oh my god, that's so funny, bro. I will never talk bad about Misha because, I mean, he's a fake trader for sure. So I guess I am talking bad about him. But dude, he is not making 300K a day. That is the person in my chat room who me and a couple of the people learned from. I learned candle closures above ranges. I learned honestly, I guess closures is one of the main things. I learned gaps. Misha from Houston, Texas. He's a good guy. He definitely taught me some, but dude, do not watch his profits. They're all fake. I promise you.
Damn, he's here in Houston.
He's in Houston. I learned a couple. That's literally like he honestly helped me a little bit, and he's a good he's cool. Like he's some people in the group who I fuck with for sure. Like that's like how I kind of started learning. I met Carson. I met Carson in Misho's group. Everyone on YouTube. I met Carson, Irvin. I met Irvin, Carson, and Jan. Dave, the person who Jan Mateo.
Yeah.
I met him.
Oh, yeah,
I met him.
okay.
I met him in Misho's group, bro. Fake group. That's like the other day when Jan said like, "Oh, I know a trader who's making 300K a day." And
who
he
you're
kind
talking
of,
about?
yeah, that's the person he's talking about.
Ah.
Same person. And like, I don't hate on him because, I mean, I hate on him a little bit because he obviously was faking it and wouldn't admit it. But at the end of the day, he caught me. He introduced me to a lot of people who like I can imagine not knowing like Irvin or Jan or whatever the fuck. But then like at the end of the day, candle closures, he taught me with trend lines as well as gaps, literally gaps. We literally every Sunday would get on and trade gaps and shit. And like, if you're a new trader, that's shit that you should learn because you learn not to trade them or you find a strategy that might work for you or whatever. But it's just weird that someone named Flying Chico just came to my chat room talking about. Guys, listen. Ever since I left Miso's group, I don't know. I met with Kylie Hill, someone who's in my VIP, who showed me a lot about live accounts. I went away from prop firms. I went live accounts. Me and Kylie Hill went live accounts for a while. He actually ran up, we ran up a lot of shit for a while. But I found Carson in Misha's group. I joined Misha's group. He taught me a lot of things. I did lose some money, but I did learn some good things. And then it ended up where we were like, you know what? This is a guy faking the profits, all that type of stuff. Me and Carson decided, you know what? Let's open our own group where we're going to show people real profits. We're going to show people real stuff. We're going to show people real trades, all that type of stuff. And that's kind of where we are now. Honestly, can't lie. I sound stupid. I know, Dave. I know I joined. You're like, oh, are you drunk? It's like, I did
No,
drink at the
no.
game, but I'm just like, I'm not tired. Like, I'm just like energized. You know?
Friendly Dave. Remember, don't.
No,
take
you're
other
dude. That
things,
there's no such thing as Dick Dave. I know.
uh,
No. There's no such thing as Dick Dave. Anyone in Cali know about smoke shops selling Psycho Legends chocolate bars now? WFX Chief. I do live in California. I don't know about chocolate bars. I do smoke a little bit. But I don't know, bro. I'm sorry.
There's a proposition that's supposed to be getting passed, if it hasn't been already, trying to decriminalize psychedelics, which would be able to sell said chocolate bars.
In California.
Correct.
Dude, there's no way we had wait, is that Irvin Garcia? As in like Irvin, is that you in the chat? Fake demo guru. Irvin I met in the thing. That's actually so funny. I was just talking about him and he's in the chat room. Wait. Actually, I think he might have deleted it. Which is fine, because I think he's friends with them, but Irvin's friends with Misha, which is cool. Like, Misha's probably chill, bro. Like, I don't have anything against Misha at all. I don't fuck with them, like, you know, faking profits, trying to get people to join his shit, but like,
I don't
just
like
say
Don't
you-
like him.
you don't like him.
I don't know.
If
what
Dave
it
doesn't
is.
like him, I don't like him. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I like Mark. Mark is
Alright, Dave.
all I gotta
and-
say is that if there's no one on my chat room that does know about him, then that's probably how it should be. Because at the end of the day, because you gotta think, if someone's making 100K a day, everyone in the Forex community is gonna know about that guy. If you can consistently make 100K a day, everyone in the Forex community is gonna know about you and want to learn your strategy and all that type of shit. And that's what he was doing, but it turned out to be all fake, bro.
Yeah.
Which is, yeah, it's just like, it's
We
just
don't
sad
like
to see.
fakers.
Yeah. But yeah, once again, I don't think I would have started a group if I didn't join Misho's and fucking meet Carson in there. So shout out Misho, I guess. But I don't like that you
Okay,
fake it
shout
still.
out Misha.
Shout out you for teaching me candle closures and being patient. But shout out you for also making me start my own group and kick out Carson. So no, that's so bad. Oh my god. Chat, you better not clip that. Carson's the boy, obviously. That was so bad. I don't care. For real.
So are we royal? Good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wait. Okay, wait. Pause. Time out. Everyone YouTube chat.
Pause music.
Time out. Pausing music real quick. Royal times Dave times, I guess, Nate is going to speak. They're gonna speak about the sauce a little bit. We're gonna go over what they're already in, and I hope a lot of you guys out there, there's 20 of you guys watching, so I hope you guys literally just listen once again. I wouldn't be shit without these guys. So talk. Someone who wants to go first. Dave, go. Which
No,
pair?
royal. I said no, royal because I don't mind.
Oh, we got Drew here
Royal-
too. Drew, unmute.
Who's Drew's here?
Drew's here finally. Yeah.
No. I say royal because I gotta be humble. He showed me, so
Cool. Yeah. So Royal, go.
and I'm in a different trade. So
If anyone on Zoom, if you wanna undo your camera, I obviously show you guys on YouTube, but we got Drew, Mark, and Nate so far. I love seeing you guys' faces because I actually do look at you guys when you speak, because that's just like how I fucking, whatever. Yeah. I don't know.
I can't because my wife was like sleeping on the couch.
No, I 100%. You're on East Coast time, so I had completely. I mean, fucking Salva. I didn't know that until today, Salva, that you wake up at 4 a.m. every day to trade with us. So, shout out to you, bro. I do appreciate you. Yeah, I know Salva wakes up at 4 a.m. to trade with us every day. So,
Damn.
so there's no, appreciate you, bro.
Hey, I would actually enjoy that though. 4 a.m. for London, and then you got the rest of the day for New York.
Dude, all I gotta say is that I had that same mindset when I tried to go trade in New York. I was like, oh my god, I'm waking up at like 4:30, wake up and then trade 5, 6. Dude, like at least in my opinion, my mindset and my like energy and my everything is just completely like just out of the window. Like I will be a zombie trading in New York. You know, like I'm just tired and I just don't want to like I don't know. Like
I'm a
I'll
night person
Sessions are
I'll
anyway,
still
so
I'll literally
bro.
dead ass like think about not getting a trade because I'm just tired. I'll be like, bro, I just don't want to manage it right now, which is bad. But guys, this is why you see me at London. Like I'm just telling you guys the truth.
I mean, like you trade London, by the time you get to New York, it's the end of your shift, bro. It's like 6 hours away.
Facts. But someone continued Royal or Nate or I mean Royal or Dave.
I don't have
Please
the
tell you the
sauce. I'm
sauce.
waiting
Yeah.
for it.
No, I know.
Yeah,
I know. We're with sauce.
I'll go. It's pretty. It's just hiking ashy candles, bro. Like change
Which
your
which pair?
candlesticks.
Which pair?
Just I'm in NAS 100. I know Dave's in I think he's in UCAD.
US, yeah, you get.
Okay, NAS 100
Um,
guys. We're gonna have Royal breakdown NAS 100 right now. Everyone in
but
the chat
just change your candles to hiking ashy candles, like at the top.
room. Yeah. How can I see?
It's so fire, don't joke.
Holy shit.
Yeah, yeah, bro. Like
What's the
you see
difference?
how like
Oh,
dude,
Bigger
you see how
wicks.
simple that is? Like, bro, like it's all green or it's all red. And it's like you can see the momentum like running out. Like I think I can circle on your screen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
annotate.
I didn't mean to do the remote control thing, but like right here, bro, like you see how like it formed those three bearish candles after as it's sitting in a supply zone.
Mm-hmm.
It's showing you that it's losing momentum. So that's where I took the sell. I think it was like somewhere here I took the sell and the stop loss is just above here. TP was 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is here. Overall is gonna fill all the way down here because you got this all these clean
Liquidity,
candles
yeah,
here.
bro, with this whole push for sure.
Yeah, it's just a big M. So it should
You entered up
pretty much
here
fill
where
that.
you
Right
circled.
down to that fair value gap.
No, I enter when it formed like the red Heikenashe candle. That's pretty much when I entered it.
So this is
No, I
my
mean you're playing down to that fair value gap. New York's lows yesterday.
Yeah, pretty much it was just to fill all those bullish candles that went up.
Damn,
where'd
Where
you
it looks
where the buy
clean,
started.
where'd you find these
especially with the
candles?
MAs.
Yeah.
I mean, I already knew about them, but I just never really used them because like sometimes like when you like it doesn't enter you exactly where price is. So like where that the bottom of that candle is, like where it's showing like where price is, whatever, that's not exactly where price is at this point in time. They close at the average price of that time frame. So but the way like the guy explained to use it on the video I watched, like as long as you're just calculating your risk based off the low of that candle, then it doesn't really affect you. So like you know how like the regular candlesticks have the open, high, low, close.
Yeah.
Like the low of that candle is like the lowest that the candle went. So like if you just use that to calculate like your entries instead of trying to like calculate like, oh, I'm going to try to enter where the body closes because they don't open at the lows and highs of each candle. They open in the middle of the next candle. So it's a little different, but they're much more
Mm.
cleaner to read. Like if you look at that chart compared to that candlestick chart, that's much cleaner than a regular candlestick chart.
It's just showing bearish candles versus bearish candles.
And also the candles, they are volume based.
Mhm.
So it will help you because you see where you got those big ass candles, like
Yeah, you're with the volume. At the end of the day,
yeah,
guys,
yeah, 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 yeah.
you guys gotta
You
think if
will
you've been here trading supply and demand with like me or whatever, and you look at like let's say we're looking for a supply setup and price kind of moves away from the supply, then aggressively buys back into the supply. If it has big bullish candles into the supply, there's no reason to take it. So once again, when there's that type of quote unquote volume, which once again I'm just trying to put that out to you guys. If there's that volume heading into the supply or demand, it's like why would you try and sell against that bullish volume when price probably could react from that area? So Dave's kind of just once again that's just kind of what I got
yeah,
from that last thing. Was that
yeah,
like
yeah.
yeah, going
But
against the
what he
volume.
said, the it will help you
Mhm.
to all your trades. Like
Yeah.
because if you go back on the regular, because psychology is like the biggest part of like
Trading.
it's your yeah
Psychology,
yeah
yeah.
it's your enemy. So you'll see some whatever colors you're using, but you'll see some bearish candles, some bullish candles, bearish candles, bullish candles, and that might entice you to close your trade early, and but you're not kind of seeing the real move, or you don't have the volume. So with what Royal said, the dude that explains it in the video, what he does is you split your screen in two with the same like you're on NAS. So let's
Yeah.
say you split your screen in two. You
Mhm.
got the same chart, same time frame, but one's like Ikanashi, and the other one
It's nice.
is the regular one, the regular candles.
Let's do it right
So
now.
So
you can see the whole momentum
Let's
yeah,
do
or
it. Let's do it. Just do it right now. It's the sauce,
yeah,
guys. Once again, at the
yeah,
end of
yeah.
the day, I appreciate you
Click
guys for
on
sharing this. Yeah, here.
yeah this
Split.
thing, yeah.
Go here.
So
Move
yeah,
this
so
over.
I don't know which one you want. You left or right, whatever you want. Uh, do you got
Nas. Let's do Nas. This is Nas right here, guys.
okay?
Regular
Yes,
candles. Let's go Nas right here. And also click on it right here. But let's
yeah.
change this one to
Ikanashis,
the Hikamush. Or I don't know how to say it, but Hikanashi.
Ikanashis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's look at them back to back.
So and for the purpose, just use the same colors. Like you're with green and white. So yeah,
You want me to go change that in this one?
yes, do it like right now.
How you that?
What?
How do you change
the
the
Like
same way
Hakanashi
you would
colors?
normally change your
the
colors.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
yes,
Well, that's weird. I thought maybe
yes.
you have to change it within the indicator.
Symbol. Yeah, symbol. The first one. Yes, sir.
So these are just white.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So you see, you got your price action, your regular candles
Yeah, so
on
you
the
guys
left,
wait, but this is oh yeah, they're both 15.
but
Yeah.
but look, like look at the 15-minute. You
Mm-hmm.
see,
Yeah,
like
I see it.
on the left, like right. Where's my annotate? Annotate. See
This is
that?
a lot of sauce. Everyone in the YouTube, I hope you guys are fucking pay
And
attention.
look at this. This
At
doesn't
least
show
smash the
you that
like
you don't want to. You're not like, oh, I need to close my trade or whatever. This might entice you to close your trade, but still, this is good because you can see the price action. But this will
Still
help you,
bearish.
yes,
Yep.
and a lot of volume. And
and
once
not
you
showing any exhaustion yet because there's no change in
exactly,
colors.
exactly, and no joke, so he showed me the video like an hour ago, an hour and a half, and uber small lots because I'm say it's new, so I won't go like full margin
Sample
on
size.
it. But yeah. And I took like right now my USD CAD is 1, 2, almost 3. Yeah.
Mhm.
And
You took
what
it?
I did, yeah, I sent it in the chat room, my MetaTrader. Um, what I did was my analysis with still my entry checklist personally. I That's what I did. I did my entry checklist, what I was looking for, like liquidity grab and displacement and the market structure shift, and if I had enough fair value gap on order block, but also the Icanashis um confirmed that was Myers was quote unquote correct because we never know. Because also on the Icanashis, on my Icanashi chart, I'm using the EMA, and the moment my EMA is crossed, the candles turned from white to blue. So that was another like confluence.
Yeah.
And I
And that's a
did that,
strong confluence too.
yes. And I did that on gold. I did that on GJ. I did that on USD CAD and on GU. But GU is kind of cheating because GU, if USD CAD goes up, GU goes down. But
Yeah, I
still,
mean, not a lot of
yeah.
people even in the chat room know that, you know? But even though you're advanced, they don't know that yet. So everyone in the chat room, I just saw someone named Eric go. Sounds complicated. Simplicity is always best. I agree, but all that at the same time, I disagree. At the end of the day, If you think trading is simple and you just want to buy or sell above ranges, you can go for it. At the end of the day, if that's how you want to trade, you can want to trade. But
Yes.
people in my group with
7.
me, Dave, well, I love listening to what they say, especially with these candles, because at the end of the day, all they're trying to tell you is that look at my left screen. These are the same pairs. This is bullish, bullish, bearish, 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 bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish. So that's two look at my right screen. You have all bearish candles. Why? Because that candle pattern is showing you the volume in the direction. So at the end of the day, if you want to buy or sell against the direction, it might help you out. But at the end of the day, you want to follow the trend. So if we kind of tapped out and we're in a
Mm-hmm.
whole bearish trend, look at our left screen. All those bullish candles might give you a bias of maybe taking further buys, but our right screen is telling you we're super bearish. Although we might get a short-term, buys, we haven't seen any indication of that yet. So why are we looking for buys?
Yes,
I
sir.
still
And
agree. We're at
also,
the trend line, but like I'm not a trend line trader anymore. So
yeah, and yeah, for sure, you can keep it simple. It's true. Like, there's like, I think 97.6% of the YouTube courses are sell at resistance and buy at support. So it's easy. Wait for support, buy. Wait for resistance, sell. And you get like a 50-50 chance to, hit your TP.
is that true though?
But I don't know.
Personally, I like the split screen top and bottom, so you can make the Heikinashi candles small
Yeah.
underneath, so you can still have your full scope. But it basically runs like an RSI on the bottom if you switch it that way, so you can see all your shit.
Yeah.
Someone said
Personal
is
preference.
having the ability to read candles is always better than focus on purely volume. I agree, but at the end of the day, think about it. Okay, because you're not wrong. Once again, there's no such thing as being wrong in the market. So, a person that said on the YouTube,
It's
Eric,
gotta make sense to
you
you.
gotta think about this. So,
Mm-hmm.
is the ability to read candles always better than focus on pure volume? I agree. But think about this. Volume is a low key an indication of what direction the volume or what direction price wants to go in. So let's say that like price is aggressively selling, like here, once again, short-term bearish, and the Akihashi candles, whatever it's called. All these are bearish candles. All these are kind of bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, whatever. Those candles are going to kind of fake you out looking for short-term buys where the volume is probably indicating where price is most likely going to go. So once again, I'm not telling you wrong. Looking at this and we're going to apply it, but I'm just telling you that don't get faked out just because. I mean, price action is key, but once again, if you get like a bearish close and you look for a bullish candle break above the high to take further buys, that's just your intuition going, oh, I've seen that happen before, so I'm going to watch it happen here. It doesn't have to follow it. You could get hit,
Yeah.
you could hit a sell, you
Yeah,
know?
but the thing is also it depends. If you're like trading on the 30,
Yeah, it's different.
30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour daily, the candles, the patterns,
Way different.
yeah, but they are like not helpful, but they mean something. Like, if the candle patterns, they don't mean shit on the 1 minute, 2 minute, and even on the five. It's on the five, you'll see a bullish engulfing candle, and market's reversing.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and buy, and the market will be bleeding like 1 minute after, and bleeding a lot. But you had an engulfing candle, a bullish one. But the same thing on, let's say, the 30 minutes or the 1 hour, that that is valid.
Hmm.
Just that, yeah, depends
You just don't know.
also on what kind of trader you are.
Yeah. We're looking at the 5 minute guys. So if we're on the 1 hourly telling us that we're different, so does they show drop in game. Does the probability of the trade increase if you wait for the 4 hour candle closer than the 1 hour? We're scalpers around here, so I'm so glad that Dave actually brought it up right when you asked that. But we try on the 5 minute, 15, and sometimes the hourly to get direction. But at the end of the day, we're looking for liquidity to be grabbed. We're looking for some type of imbalance to be filled, and then we're looking for imbalance to fill on the way up when we're taking the entry. So, um, this is kind of hard, obviously, because we don't say setup. That's obviously why we're kind of just chilling here talking. As of now, obviously, we're here to trade, so we're gonna catch one. But if this had a big bearish move, leaving imbalances to fill on the way up while tapping into a demand, while taking out liquidity, while having an imbalance to fill, it's most likely a higher probability trade than just us on this trend line waiting for us to retrace, and now it's looking like bullish momentum off this trend line to create like a W or whatever. No, we have different entry types.
Like right here, I got an example. Okay?
Yeah, go.
Look,
Go.
wait, I'm gonna send you something. Zoom.
But we trade differently. Once again, if you're in the chat room as like a breakout trader, you're not gonna like how we trade. Like where you're buying, we're like selling. So you can like leave now. I don't care. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Juice and Drew is like bored to death.
I wish Drew was naked, but I mean, yeah.
He's not. Look at him.
No, I know he's not.
bored to
I know he's
death.
not, but. All right.
Okay.
Look at this. Use the
So
cat. Go.
here. Okay, here. Wait, annotate. Okay. This on a higher time frame, let's say, because I was on the 5. This candle.
Look
What
at
is
the
it?
right side of my screen, guys, if you don't see right here. Right side of my screen.
Those kind of candles with in, it's kind of a. I can't even remember the name, but I know
No, not yet. It's kind of just
it's like a rejection and a hammer, and normally there's a hammer, and then if you where I learned it, when you get a hammer, there's like a arm that needs to hold the hammer or something like that. But on the Ikeneshi, it's clear. See, the volume is still bullish.
Mhm.
Like it's still uber bullish. And here, I don't know why it's not shown, but here, right here, my EMAs, they crossed. So my EMAs went from red to blue
right
exactly
there
on that
on the
candle,
impulse.
like this one.
Mhm.
And I don't know why. But what is this?
Swing
What is
lows.
this?
Is it
No,
liquidity?
that's
It
a
looks like a dick.
penis.
No, I
That's
know. It
a
looks like a dick.
penis.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
fat dick. No.
Yes. So once again, so
I'm
once again,
waiting.
I do like I still have my change of character. Like all that I still be looking at, regular candles, but those shit, they I swear he showed me the video and I went, oh,
Who's he?
dude, that's like the missing link or something. Like it's uber clear because like I'm still in my trade, by the way. I'm still in it. I'm in wait.
Where?
Wait, I'm sending it on Zoom.
Waiting.
No demo account. 44 pips in profit.
Good shit.
Where are you sending
Because
it?
you see, I Zoom. Zoom. Zoom.
Zoom.
Yeah.
On Zoom. Zoom. Yeah.
Right.
I'm 51 pips in profit on GJ.
Fire. USD CAD. Look at this guy's partials closed. He's still running.
Yeah.
Damn, you only
We
close
need to
partials
close.
once too. Yeah, fire.
Yeah. Close partials. It's important.
I'm gonna zoom in for you guys.
Yeah.
So look at this.
So
Ready?
yeah.
Boom. You took buys from here. Whoa. So we're in a little bit of drawdown.
Oh yeah. Like tiny bit,
Drawdown,
but
and then
like
boom, break and
yeah.
retest of his entry
Like,
just to
I
fly.
think I saw like 2 pips or whatever.
Fire, bro. It's like a fire play.
Royal. So how long have you been using this?
Yeah, where's Royal?
I just started using it, bro. I've known about hiking Ashy, but like I literally just the first trade I took was his NAS trade on it. I was back testing it, then I just took the trade because I'm like the shit lines up with like what I regularly look for, just like how Dave was saying. So and then the hiking Ashy candle just confirmed it. So it's just helping me pretty much hold the trade. So I'm still holding this shit for NAS all the way from the top. So I'm just gonna
I
keep
want
holding
to
it until those candles flip.
I want to collectively pull in sample sizes for time frames.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Big
The
fire.
It'll
higher
work any
time
time
frames
frame,
versus
bro.
the lower time frames. No, but how consistent it is, like with that 5 to 15 to 1 hour, where you're seeing your confluences anyway. See how our
How it
sample
lines
sizes of
up.
our trades and when we hold and get entries and exits.
Yeah. I get
I mean,
I get it. We could
with
set up
multiple
something.
Yeah, multiple people doing the same thing, we can get a larger sample size for the whole group to say, hey, this is working really well. This is a little finicky, you know.
100%.
Yeah, but also, why am I 50 pips in profit like this? Was there news or something? Or
Why am I
no, no,
50% profit? YouTube chat. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna get water in bathroom, but ask Dave, Drew, Mark, Nate, Royal questions, and I'll be right back.
I got an alert like it said displacement wick on USD CAD. No shit. USD CAD. Love you. So
Yeah,
Drew,
after you sent that
that trade?
playlist,
Yeah.
no, the playlist.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, the playlist.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's making things a lot easier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't
That's
know,
what I
like
said.
did you see my GJ breakdown that I sent in the group?
Yes.
Did you agree with what I had wrote on there based off
Yes.
of okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Just looking for confirmation bias, that I'm actually seeing it, reading it right.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the 46 pips in profit kind of says so, but
Yeah, but yeah, yeah. The fucking thing with smart money is that it does get a bad rep because of the order, and I guess smart money sounds like douchey, but to me, it's not smart money. It's like just s-
structure,
smart.
like
Yeah, it's smart way to trade. Yeah, you know makes sense. Like I get I get the supply and demand traders. I get the breakout traders. Like that's how I started breakout. Easy the Mamba way. Breakout. It's easy, but it was easier last year. Last summer, like London Open, you waited for a trend line break and it was running for like 40, 50 pips. But the market with the recession and everything, the war, it changed. So
What changed?
we need the markets, the
Facts.
market condition. So we need to adapt because it's like I always compare trading to video games. It's like I don't know. It's like you're playing. Okay, either you're playing World of Warcraft and you play Warlock, and they buff one of them specs, and you still want to play Destruction, but Destruction is now the shittiest spec in the game, and you should be playing Affliction, but you're still playing Destruction, and you're getting clap, and you won't perform. That's exactly the same way with trading. You need to evolve and adapt your trading. That doesn't mean you need to throw out like everything that made you successful, but still try to sharpen your weapons, try to
Sharpen the
evolve.
tools.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
weapons.
Drew, what's
I'm
up?
in 50 lots in GG.
What's good?
Miss you.
Miss you. Yeah, this USD CAD trade's crazy, bro. It's kind of perfect.
Thank you. Are you in? Wait, you in?
No, but I wish I was.
Oh, I'm gonna give me your PayPal. I'm gonna send you some money.
Silas,
Send it up. Why not?
I gotta hop on here more. Shit.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You do, you do.
Why not?
What? 50 lots on GJ?
Catching GJ sales on 50 lots on GJ sales.
Isn't it 50 lots on GJ
Let's go
like
over to
It's
JPY basket before I even look at
dollar
GJ.
money? Like it's kind of a what? 50 lots is
So
what? Like
JPY basket, obviously clear liquidity to the downside, taking liquidity, flipping kind of bullish. Until we break this candle high, we're still technically in a bearish market. But if we flip bullish above that, then you should get your sells. And that should play out pretty fucking fire. Not gonna lie. But
it's forming a nice little resistance level right now.
yeah, well,
I'm
it's got a
uber
good
curious. I want to know how much is 50 lots
what do you
on
mean?
GJ? He said he throw.
Yeah, 50 lots is a little less than what. So like think about like if you traded GU and it was like 10 lots to 10 lots, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's like 0.7 compared to that. If that made sense. Like basically like and 50 lots in GSOs, 500k account. You don't even have to have a 500k account to do 50 lots. You probably would have like a at least a 200k.
Yeah,
At least
but
200k.
that's what I meant. That's a lot of money.
Yeah. Fine.
Sheesh.
Luca, what's the red box?
This red box right here is the 4-hour candle. You see the top wick and the bottom wick as well, but I'm on the 5-minute time frame. But when it comes to taking entries, sometimes it's really ideal to sometimes at a 4-hour open, there'll be no bottom wick or no top wick, and you'll actually be taking it at the candle flip, which you won't know. But this has it where I actually have the 4-hour up here. So
That's kind of nice.
It's pretty fucking elite, bro.
if you want to download it, the indicator is called HTF Candles Sonar Lab. HTF Candles. Nate, I was at the Giants game tonight, and there was a guy on the Phillies who had like, who like Loki looked just like you. I almost sent you a video. I was like, bro, you're up to bat.
I
Like,
wish.
yeah, for real.
Be
He was
back
like,
out in left field.
yeah.
That
I'm
was my
always risking
favorite
1%
spot.
as always, of course. Fire, yeah, risking 1% is ideal. Once again, it's not about what you risk. It's about, I mean, false. It is about what you risk, but it's about actually holding yourself to that risk to where your stop loss is. Because I remember before I magic keys or before I like really cared about risk management, that I literally would like get into a trade and thinking that the lot size I was in was proper risk management, but then it would actually come down to SL and I'd be over risk or under risk than what I usually would be, which at the end of the day just fucking kills your longevity of like catchy profit. So make sure you risk the same every trade.
Yeah, don't over leverage
Don't over leverage. No
because the moment you'll hear the sweet sound effects of MetaTrader going brown.
need.
Yeah, that yeah.
It's the end.
Dude, Mamba, 8 wins in a row. Growing
You've
my
been
small
taking them?
account.
Yeah, you've been taking them?
Yeah, each and every day.
I told Wes that today. I was like, oh, there's someone in my group that's eating from him.
Yeah, yeah. Making good money while making money.
Yeah,
Passive money,
extra.
making my own money. You know,
Just a little extra.
Bro, unlock the cheat code.
yeah.
Do you see anything?
No, it's
Oh,
pretty dry.
what pair are you looking at right now?
I'm looking at GU and UCAD's gone. So I can't look at UCAD. Or really just GU. I'm not trying to
You might
confuse
get
myself too much.
you might get a retracement like um from like where's my this one.
It's in a 25 pip retracement right now.
Yeah, but if you fib it and you take your trade from the retracement because you had to change your character and I'm not telling you how to trade, by the way, so you do you. But yeah, if you fib from the change of character, displacement change of characters, or mean that this candle to this candle, you you could get a retracement until like 1.35 100 ish, and put your stop loss at the next fib level, which would be um 1.34969, or Yeah, yeah. Because it does look, well, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty bullish at the moment on USD CAD. But you need a, even though if you're mooning, you need some sort of retracement.
Oh, for sure.
Also the hourly doesn't have a top wick, so that's another
Mm,
good thing. But I don't know shit about fuck, so
yeah.
you know.
I'm not a big Fib guy. That shit works. I just personally haven't taken the time to make it work for myself.
Me too. Like I like fibs, but at the end of the day, like if I back tested it, fire. But if I do go to apply it to real time market and front test, not ideal. Not
Hmm.
ideal. Sorry. But it's all good. There's something I noticed.
Just gotta find what makes sense to you and make it consistent.
Drew, so if you go to bed, yeah, let's vaccinate. Drew, if you go to bed, what time do you wake up?
I was up at 8 today. I said, well, I was up before that, but I told my dogs to fuck off and I went back to sleep. um,
I told my dog to fuck
I don't know. Normally I wake up like 6 or 7, but it's not gonna happen anymore. Normally, like, yeah, sometimes 5, but it's not happening anymore. So I don't know. We're gonna learn.
Yeah, that'll be lit. Super,
Sorta.
super down. So anyone in the YouTube chat, as you can see, GU is obviously breaking lows. But at the end of the day, this is the nearest lower high. We have this big bullish move. We're now breaking back below that level. Validating sells. Do I want to take sells? Yes, obviously. Do I want to take sells? Um, from up here, it's more ideal where this next supply is, due to the fact that if we get a pullback, it's way more likely that we'd have that supply and sell off or more than us just taking out the next 30-minute candle flip. Obviously, we've had the hourly open 12 minutes ago, but the 30-minute is really gonna kind of show us direction on where we kind of want to go, based on if it holds the support on a liquidity grab or we break back above to return back into the range and then possibly get kicked out from there.
What are you looking at though?
As of now with GU, I don't like how oversold we are because I'd want to retracement back up into the supply. But I have my alert set. I'm
Facts.
kind of waiting. GJ. GJ kind of same thing. We're getting kind of a retest after this trend line break, but gold earlier. Back when we were up in this area during Asia. Was this yesterday? Yeah, how do you feel like yesterday? We were during Asia. Gold sells. Easy. Lower highs, accumulation, just break below. Retest, easy kind of dump. W. It could retrace back up. I don't know what it's doing or whatever. It's some BS for sure. What do you think?
Me, I'm
Yeah,
going to bed. I think I'm going to bed 4 a.m. You know.
yeah.
Yes.
Love you, sir.
Yes, sir. Good night, boys. Have a good
So,
one.
You going
And
right now?
oh yeah, oh yeah,
Good night, Dave.
So like that.
Good job on
yeah.
USD CAD. You're a goat.
Yes, sir. Gonna try to find a place in my bed because my kiddo decided that for the past few months she's sleeping with us, and
Sweet.
yeah, she's
It's
like
the
doing
best.
the starting. So yeah,
Love it. Have a good night,
yes,
bro.
sir. Yes, sir. Have a good night, guys.
See you tomorrow.
what's up, brother?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So on that 15-minute time frame, obviously, just off the naked eye, can see is this downtrend. We've now formed that kind of W that like we kind of talking about earlier. And at that point, if we break back below, where it's validating more sells I just don't like. I just don't think that we're gonna sell off from right here. If you look at the right of my screen, all the way down to break these four, like these higher time frame levels. I don't want to just say 4 hour, because some of the lower highs might be some different time frames. But all this liquidity sitting under here is most likely to get taken out. And at that point, let me just draw it. At that point, if we come down here, break it, and continue up, that's what I would be looking for. That's just the most ideal and makes sense than just jumping in and hoping like, oh, yo, bro, I saw it. This was gonna do this, so I'm gonna get in. It's not ideal. Doesn't do you justice.
Yeah, I mean, even if you wait for a close, you're still only looking at like 20 pips because
Yeah.
it can bounce off anywhere. So
Exactly. You could do kind of like either thing, but let's go over to Euro USD. What happened yesterday? We had that trend line break. Let's see where it actually broke though. So had the face fall out or fake out. Had the false fake out, came back up, broke structure, had another false fake out, broke these lows to then buy up into Steve's high rise. We here watch Steve will do it. Anyone here watch Steve
what's
will do it?
up? Yeah.
I love Steve will do it. But we were raking up here, took stop losses, came back into the range. We're selling kind of off. Kind of just like the opposite of whatever you think. Makes kind of sense. But head and shoulders, easy. All I'm kind of waiting for at this point is kind of a rejection, possibly come back into this um, supply zone. Actually, I'll do it lower just to get you guys' attention. Template. Yeah, your USD. Other pairs, I don't look at GA, GU. Yeah, breaking back below support. See if we can still have a retracement back into the support to then take buys up to fill the range. That would be ideal. Hey, what are you looking at?
My GJ trade going the wrong way.
You're in sales. I mean, it makes sense. Tap on the supply. We got that double entry with the double head top with the retracement. Like, fuck.
We also didn't break that low.
Yeah, I was looking for GJ sells under like 170 even.
Higher. 70. Yeah, it could be down. Put another
I
piece
just
of
like how clear it is, and obviously break a year trend. If it reacts off of it and stays below,
Yeah, no, I agree.
and then I just want a closure.
I mean, with
Otherwise, I
GJ
might
right
just
now, anyone in the
range.
chat room like who doesn't trade GJ or is not part of the group, whatever, like as of now, what I'm looking for is we've had this nice consolidation. We've gone kind of lower highs back like down here, obviously, but we created these, left shoulder, right shoulder, or left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And I keep getting on the left or on the right shoulder for price to then take up price into my SO and then sell off. So that's the one thing I've been, kind of like backtesting and waiting for because I don't see like that shit.
I just didn't close my position in profit yet because I want to see it. We broke this trend line, retesting it, and then continue to fall would be optimal.
Good, bro. That's how it should be. And if maybe it's your first trade or something else, then it's good to have that cushion. So I'm only risking 1% as always, of course. Drew looking cute as hell. I know. Trust me.
Who is that?
The pit flipper is Liam.
Who else would it be?
And
That's funny.
yeah, but he thinks you're cute, which I can't disagree with. So
Man, put a ring on me, fly me out, Liam.
put a ring, Liam. Come on now.
If you like it, come on, put a ring on it.
Facts. I can't believe G took those lows though. As you guys can see, there's still that downtrend on the trend line. So if you get a break above that with some false momentum or whatever, or reject off of it and look for further sells into supply, it'll be ideal. But
I agree. I think if we don't recover what just happened, we're probably gonna dump a little bit.
yeah. Big facts, big facts, big facts.
Are you in anything, Mark?
Mark.
I'm in GGSLs, but I got the car break even, but I took some partials, so
Oh, you're hot.
Facts.
You're hot and slimy. That's hot. Good shit.
yeah, then.
BRB.
Hot and slimy.
Second.
So Nate, what trade did you say you were in?
GJ sells and gold buys.
Where's your stop loss now?
For which one?
GJ, sorry.
Stop loss is 170.628.
That's why it's quite high up, isn't it? Yeah.
I got it in at 173.46.
Not quite.
I've already closed partials.
Ah, cool.
Still got my positions running on that. Gold is the only one that's playing with me. Now that I'm sitting here reflecting it and looking on it, I didn't have a solid entry on it. I like my analysis, but beat myself up over it. But I don't really like my entry. But we're gonna run with it.
Yeah. I think GJ is going to continue down hopefully. It's tapped into that supply, that 5 minute supply. It literally just hit 10 minutes. Going back down there goes. So hopefully continue down.
It's also, I know, I think it was Drew that's saying he's not big on fibs, but you're pretty much rejecting off of a golden zone fib on the 15-minute with G.
Yeah. Right, guys, I'm going to head off now, so I will speak to you all later.
Have a good one, Mark.
See you later.
Sounds good, brother.
Luke is still away.
Wait, so you said you're in gold buys? And yeah, Lucas.
Yeah, gold buys.
I think, are you just looking to like come back to the previous highs? Like 93? Or are you trying to break above that?
I had overall TP at 2,000 flat.
Facts, okay. I think it's definitely gonna bounce, but because it's gonna create equal lows here and retrace probably a bit. I don't know. If it goes down further, it won't go much. It'll definitely break these lows if it chooses to be bearish though, and it'll come to like 1982-ish, you know.
I just shared my gold in the Zoom chat.
Set lows.
So I didn't give myself much leeway below those lows, but I did have it my stop loss set just below those lows.
Yeah. Is that the volume at the bottom? That's pretty cool.
No, that's actually how I set up doing the Heikinashi.
Oh,
candles.
I see that, yeah.
So the bottom one is the US 30 that I was looking at. And it was actually fucking Royal posted it, and I marked it up to see what he was looking at and see how the Heikinashi is fucking move with it.
That 1 hour is clean on US 30, bro. That 1 hour key level.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 30-minute. It's all lining up, bro. That's just gonna fly.
Oh, that 1 hour for your final TP's right at the 50 too. Oh no, never mind.
Or yeah, US 30, I think. Yeah, my TP on US 30 is 33,250.
I like it.
I don't like picking bottoms, but I mean, Hike and Ashley's lining up, structures lining up, everything's lining up, key levels. It's in profit too.
That's
Michael
the
kept,
ultimate thing that matters.
yeah, GJ did me dirty, bro. That shit, like, it didn't hit stop loss on the fucking trading view, but it wicked my stop loss on MetaTrader before it went down.
I was so close on Meta. Like,
Like,
I
yeah,
thought the
bro.
lines were the same. I was like, I'm done. And it just reversed. I was like, fuck.
I was sick. I was like, dude, what the fuck? They took me out all the way down. It's like, fuck.
Yeah, it was so close to taking me out. And then that's when I added the second position when it made that, like that hammer candle, when it started pulling all the way back. That second candle that came up and matched it, I got in on that as it came back down. So that's where my second
shit.
entry was.
Good shit, bro.
Appreciate it. Yeah, that second position's 9 pips in profit after closing partials.
Or I think US 30 could possibly go 33,500. That shit keeps printing those green candles. I'll keep holding, but I don't know. I've noticed like with the hike and Ashley, like it's very accurate stop loss placing too. Like if that shit hits a stop loss, for the most part, it's gonna really like run the opposite way. It's not gonna really manipulate you like that. Only reason my shit got hit on GJ is because fucking broker spread went up or whatever. Spread on GJ is a little bigger.
Is that on your funded?
No, I'm just trading on my Henko right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Hanko gets a little wonky on GJ.
Yeah. But indices, bro, dude, like make a bag on indices on Henko.
I haven't been comfortable enough yet.
It's like you don't have to throw big lots. Like on KOT, you throw a fucking 0.01, it's already like killing you. It's like a 0.10, but
Damn.
pretty nice on Henko. It's like because contract size is smaller, I guess. I think on KOT it's like 100. I think Henko it's 10 or something like that.
Gotcha.
I was gonna call US 30 buys in the group. I don't really want to call US 30 trade during London again. Just see how it plays out. Calling during New York.
For those that are here for it,
Yeah.
So I just realized, you know how you can mark up your positions on TradingView, whether you're in a long or a short position. I didn't realize you can lock those into place so that they don't move and they'll stay on the chart. So I've been doing that for journal purposes and, you know, being able to have it instead of, you know, always copying it into a journal or into another PDF file. I've just been saving them on the screen so I can go back and back test and see the positions again.
Shit. Hell
I
yeah.
didn't even know you could fucking do that till today. I was like, what's lock do?
I never knew what the lock button did either, to be honest with you.
It literally, so like you can scroll over it and move your whole chart and it won't move just your position. So you can't accidentally fuck it up. And it'll also stop you from, you know, trying to change your stop loss or anything else if you have that in your head.
Okay. I'm gonna have to try it. I'm gonna have to try it out for real. I haven't really fucked with it yet. I've seen it though, like I just never used it. Shit, Luca's still not back.
He fell in the toilet.
Yeah, he must be stuck. Should I FaceTime him?
I would. Be like, what the fuck?
Bro, are you sick?
Bro's in bed.
He forgot his computer was on. He's sitting back listening to the music. There's been like no volume in gold tonight either.
Yeah. Shit's just consolidating. Like I want buys, like I like buys, but I don't know, bro. I think it might do one more leg down. I don't know.
Catch another liquidity sweep right off that. I mean, because if you look left, it's got a little bit of room, a little bit of clean structure to continue down. But
Mm-hmm. I'd rather buy it, but I just don't like how price is forming on the 15-minute on gold.
yeah, that's what I was basing it off of. That's what I was saying. Like, I should have waited on my entry just for confirmation because of that consolidation point. But I had started to see some movement, so I got in, and I'm in drawdown at the moment.
Hey, stop loss or TP, bro, because you never know. Shit could just go down real quick, go all the way back up. Barely miss a stop loss, go all the way up.
Well, I also kept it really tight. I didn't give myself much past the previous lows. I think my stop loss is at 1985.31, so like right below those lows.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I feel like in this case, if it runs those lows, it's probably gonna run. I don't think it's gonna manipulate. Like, and that's better. Like, don't you rather when something hits your stop loss, don't you rather see that shit like just below it, like instead of like hit it and then go
Just
back the way it's supposed to
little
fucking
wick.
go? Yeah, it's like, dude, what the fuck? For the longest time, I was trading with no stop loss because of that, and that shit was fucking me up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Lost a lot of money from doing that dumb shit.
For the longest time, I didn't run a stop loss. Here recently, that's what I've been trying to focus on.
But that's different. Like, when to cut your trade. Like, bro, like you're not just sitting there like, oh, like, okay, like this is manipulation. Okay, no, but it's going a little lower. No, this is manipulation. That's what I would do, bro. Like, it was bad.
I've had a couple of them. Like my last challenge I did when I was sending those screenshots of pulling $500-800 profits.
Yeah.
I'd get into another position, no stop loss, and catch the manipulation and be part of the liquidity grab and lose everything that I had just won. Reverse all my profits.
Yep, that sounds like the story of my life, bro.
Yeah, the last challenge was a hard learning lesson, but I learned my lesson. So I've been trying to focus, big time on, where's everyone else putting their stops and how can I position myself outside of that to not get manipulated.
Yeah. I agree, dude. Trusting the stop loss too is a big thing.
Yeah.
Is that Luca?
Yeah, sorry guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. I think I fell asleep. which is really embarrassing, but
Oh, good,
definitely
bro.
awake. I think that like I fucking was marking up shit and then I fucking walked away for a second. Damn, someone in the chat room said Luca must be shit. Call it TP King. Where's that free content? I had free TPs for you guys, and then obviously I went and got water, and I'm fucking so fucking tired. But obviously I jumped right back up from it. But definitely embarrassing. Not bad. Who's still here? Me, bro. Oh, cause yeah, Drew said that, or not Drew, fucking. Drew said not Drew, but Dave. Who's Himi Neutron on the job, bro? On the job, bro. Our job's all night, bro. 4-hour can hasn't even open for another 19 minutes. Which usually gives the move. So once again, guys, so think about it. If the 4-hour opens for another 19 minutes, what is the next 4-hour kind of going to look like? Might have the volume that we're looking for. So if we go to the 4-hour, you guys see that we're at bearish. We're breaking through the candle that probably made a lower high to continue bearish. If it does not close below the previous level of support at the 4-hour, then it possibly could come back up and fill or continue sell. So like I said, 19 more minutes has the volume or in the direction. So
It's another reason I'm still holding.
yeah, or you're good at finding like that lower high or that like, yeah, I mean, yeah, the lower high on like whatever pair it is. So good shit. 15-minute big bearish candle, equal lows, come back into the range. So most likely gonna come back up to fill the ASMA, but still could potentially be bearish. So don't you close your eyes. Damn, guys. Nate.
What up?
Damn, that was kind of brutal. Was that for the last like 10 minutes?
Huh?
Was that for the last like 10 minutes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe a little more.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
You're good though.
That was wild, bro. Kind of felt like a time lapse.
I've been
I
there.
thought it was just one of those poops where like you keep wiping and you just can't stop.
That's kind of what it was at first. It was like, all right, I'm gonna take this break. I went and got water, and I sat down. And I was like, you know what, I should like get the brand. And I just like woke up hella quick, came back to like my fucking the YouTube channel. I saw it was like, you should wait,
Wait, I'm
Eric. You just said
live?
you should get out of gold buys. I was never in gold buys, bro.
I'm
Nah,
in
we were
gold buys.
talking.
Oh, you're in gold buys. I'm not in gold
Yeah,
buys.
bro, we got in a couple trades when you were gone.
That was wild. I don't see anything that would be in.
I'm in US 30.
Let's go over to US 30. US 30 for buys or sells?
Yep. Buys.
Oh, fire. Nice big W.
GJ going back to bleeding.
Oh shit. I missed it.
Let's go for GJ.
It retested that trend line and
I was about to
broke
say.
right back down.
Are you already in the sells 5-minute? 5-minute lows? Damn, yeah, up channel, breaking retest, breaking the 5-minute lows. Good shit. Where's your entry? Yeah.
My entry is 170.346.
436 or 346?
346.
346. So on the trend line break, but now that's retesting the trend line to come back down, you're still holding.
I'm still holding
Yeah,
from
fire.
my original position.
Shit. Goes back to last night with the entry you took that went into drawdown, but it you ended up closing in drawdown, but ended up in TP, which you know,
Yes.
at the end of the day, fuck, dude, that happens to so many of us.
That was a 66 pip runner too.
USD CAD buys hit TP2 back to BE. Good shit, build different. Fucking go. Wait, let's go over to USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD buys fire. Yeah. Did you get it from the chat with Dave, or did you catch them on your own? Remember, Dave was like the same buys that he was in. Good shit. Right here, liquidity grab right into the demand. Wait, rewind. Printed. Tab back in. Kind of goated. Damn. Was the buys you caught it off of Bill different? Or were they different? Because this would have been insane if you caught these fucking demand buys.
What?
Look at this demand play on USD CAD. As you can see right here, printed a kind of demand before kind of this bullish move. Tap back in right about here, but then from this demand right here, it bought up a bunch. So I'm just seeing if it's still. I remember Dave had been looking at them or whatever. But Dave obviously left earlier.
Yeah.
USD CAD, GJ. GJ had a good break and retest. Nay, that's a pretty freaking clean entry, bro. Good shit.
Thank you.
I took buys before it flew off the break of highs. Go to the 5 minute back over to USD CAD. I took buys before it flew off the break of highs. So just like right here when it started breaking highs. And then it retested and fucking went. It's honestly a great entry. Just because, like, let's say I didn't get the initial entry on the let's go to catch if I didn't get the initial entry on the break, the retest would have been hard because it didn't retest demand or it didn't even retest structure. It did a little bit here, but did not test any demand. Actually, I guess right here. That's a lie. I guess it just didn't hit the demand that I originally had in mind. But it printed a new one before actually breaking structure, so. So I can't hate, like when I talk about it, like breaking retests on those market structure is lines up usually with some type of supply and demand, and when it doesn't, then guess what? We're not in the trade, but if it does, then sometimes it prints a pretty fire entry. Literally can't lie. Equal highs on USD CAD, obviously with that bearish move down. I'd be lying if I said I didn't see a retrace back up to fill some type of the sell movement. But to say that it's just going to continue to buy back up would also be kind of a tough thing to say. So
I think it might.
damn. What are you looking at, GU? Drew, what are you looking at on GU?
Oh no, I was just thinking. I was just saying. I think UCAD has a good possibility to buy back up from where it is.
I saw it on gold. What does it look like with like a? Wait,
Gold's just doing nothing. Gold's about to create equal lows.
Yeah. USD CAD, you move up, could line up with the gold breaking lows. Yeah. Wait, let's see. Solid trend line
UCAD's
on UCAD.
retesting the initial breakout too.
As you guys can see,
Obviously.
yeah. Wait, keep going.
My bad.
My
I
bad.
don't know. I was gonna say if it kept pushing down, it would just tap into your trend line, which is the initial demand or whatever that pushed it.
Mm-hmm. As you guys see with this trend line too, it just like kind of lines up that like here we created a low, had the move up that broke structure, and back bullish, was a little bearish here, tapped into this demand right here that sent price up. I have two demands drawn up. This one already tapped, so I guess fuck yeah. Now I just have this demand drawn up waiting for a retracement, which probably, I mean, fuck, could not come to New York, but it's just where I could possibly see is a bullish move, maybe tie back into this demand, some type of, or create some type of low into the demand to take the impulse buys with volume up. Let's go back over to GU. Look for AUDCHF. I don't trade any I don't trade any CHF pairs. It could be fire, but I wouldn't want to just open it up in the middle of my live stream and try and take it like a trade. So maybe I'll look into that tomorrow. Eli and IEs, but not gonna look at it right now. Appreciate it though. If you see it possibly lining up with something that we're looking for. That's why I always like when people who are like looking at the chat room find things that we're lining up with and go, hey, look at this. And it lines up. But yeah, AUDCHF. No, thank you.
What did AUDCHF do to you?
It's not part of the trading plan. Another thing I've been looking at too, earlier, guys, is the liquidity grabs. As you guys can see on GJ, up in the supply zone, we've had some type of big wicks. So I look at the opposite of like, we're gonna come up and take out these buyers. What would happen after? A lot of people would think that after these buys, it would buy up, and then continue to buy. But in my opinion, now that we've tapped into the supply and sold off, and tapping back in, I don't know. I'm possibly looking for more shorts once we take liquidity. No liquidity has been taken. I mean, a little bit here, but after this break of structure, not a lot of liquidity has been taken yet, so we'll be waiting. Once again, lower time frames look clean for sells, but higher time frames look more clean for buys on GJ. What were you looking for on it, Drew?
I was looking for short-term sells on GJ if we came down, but it's not happening tonight. There's no
Could
way.
if it retraces off this once again trend line break and retest into the supply as well.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I mean, fuck. I just think of it like, once again, everyone who's in the YouTube chat, look at my screen. Trend line break. High, lower high. Came back up, took liquidity to then have this massive move down that broke structure. Broken one lower high to come back up and create this high that's happened into supply. Although we are rejecting, if I were to take sells from here, stop loss would be above the zone, which to me, in my opinion, looking at this play, what are the chances that we're going to get not a retracement, because a retracement would be opposite, but what are the chances that we would get some type of fucking push up to take some sellers that would be selling here? Because it looks clean. Like, I do want to sell here, but yeah, no. But accumulation, it's a good thing. Call trade then Poppy, hit me neutral and go tomorrow's, bro.
Damn, bro. Oh my god.
Call trade then Poppy. There's no trade, bro. No trade.
There is no forcing a trade either.
Yeah.
After I see what happens to this hourly open, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Yeah. Feel that.
That's what I'm waiting on. I gotta get up and be out of the house in what,
Yeah, I feel you.
5.5
minutes.
hours?
Yeah.
Nice job, Royal.
Bro, I didn't take it, but
On
Oh, you
what?
didn't?
no, I didn't take the GJ trade. I like the sells, but I'm in US 30, so I'm just trying to hold that.
GJ sells. Let's look at it. Yeah, facts. I like it. Salva said insert. No, I'm not insert. Sorry. If it made it in, or kind of hard to tell once I put the sub position up, but I kind of put it up just to visualize it because at the end of the day, the break of this 5-minute lows, stops above the highs could play out, but I like that pullback a little bit. Look at how at this moment, once again, I always talk about this, but in my opinion, Asia kind of like moves up and down, sideways, up and down, sideways, up and down, sideways, just to then at the end of the day head into London. Will kind of accumulate to have the MAs kind of move up each other. Like once again, look at the 200s right here, the 8s right here, and the 50s right here. So whatever move we get out of this after this consolidation period could be a solid move. 4-hour open in 4 minutes. So let's see what we get.
Royal, your Heikenachis, it just changed over back to bearish on GJ as well.
For time frame, the 15 minutes.
15.
Yeah.
And it never changed on the 1 hour. It's been bearish on the 1 hour.
Which is fire because it's just kind of like once again, it kind of reminds you of the trend that it's in. So it's like, although you're looking for buys, it's like telling you like, hey, pay attention to where it's going or what it's
Yeah,
doing.
when they all line up, or like at least a couple of them, like the 5, 15, and 30, it's golden, bro.
Yeah, that's
I also
fire.
like it because it's making me pay more attention and switch back and forth, for my higher time frame confluences and coming down for my entry.
I like the sells. I wanted GU buys, but it never showed it on the 15 minute.
Gold's wanting to close bearish engulfing on that 15. Yeah.
Gold's gonna end up taking my stop loss.
You're in buys.
Yeah.
Just beat those days, bro. Low key, like after I back tested today for like I don't even know, a couple hours, but liquidity grabs is one of the main things that I kept seeing. It's just liquidity can grab. So low key, I've been looking at those entries.
Have you thought more about what I was talking to you about for back testing?
With what? With which part?
The hunt.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, for sure. I mean, it's always there, bro. The hunt, for sure, bro. Completely agree. I'm just hoping it's just May. Oh, I wanted to go back to not April, May, but January, February, March. March was fire. March was so gas.
Funny part is we've had so much news for this first half of this month, but the markets have just been weird.
Super weird, bro. I've got so many weird entries and priced in weird things. Like, you know, hard to tell.
Be right back.
Yeah. I didn't even know dollar ended up going live.
Hey,
What's he doing? What's he looking at? He's looking at. Is he in position?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Gold sell stops? Is that gold? Yeah, gold sell stops, guys.
that's what I'm saying,
For
man.
Dr. Dollar. Oh, it slipped him. All right, well, Lily just got him as we were looking.
Well, it's
So,
below.
anyone out there who's maybe looking at sells? Damn, it sucks that it slipped him. Though he's talking about how it's our price slipped him, but gold sells, guys. As you can see, gold just broke these lows. If you're a breakout trader, these are very valid sells. It quickly break and retest this ASMA right here. 4 hour is looking bullish. It looks like there's no top wick on the 4 hours. Let's go. Like, yeah, there's no top wick yet, but definitely having that bullish move down. So um I shorted gold at the close of the 15. Fire. Let's go. Bill Different got in too. Wait, you got in just at the close? That's fire. Not even at the flip or anything. Kind of dope. Play some more music and then we'll go check back over if you guys want me to check over. Let me know if you take the gold sells or if you're in whatever trade you're in, just let me know. I like evaluating it and just going back and looking. I like G buys, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If you guys are wondering what this position is on my screen, this is the GU buys from last night. We hit TP1 pretty cleanly. It only went like, how many pips is this? It went 30 pips past TP1, but we also had like a 30 pip SL, which is a lot bigger than I usually do. But if I go up to the 30-minute time frame, you guys can see that we came down out of this big bearish move, formed a demand within this demand zone, and then I took it at the break of the 30-minute high. There was no bottom wick, but I just took it because I kind of just saw price moving in that direction. And the lower time frames moved up. The higher time frames on that trade didn't really line up because there was no top wick, but it ended up playing. So, you know, it's one of those things where you look back and it's like, damn, I would have been super sad if I didn't take him. Not sad, but it would just be a big difference. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a big difference. I feel like you'd like Iloteka Drew, am I right?
Yeah, they'll take us fire.
Yeah. Nate.
What up?
How you doing, bro?
I'm good. Grab a
There's
bite.
news in
Take a
like
smoke break.
15 minutes.
Good. Sounds like a great break. 30
There's
minute looks
news.
super bearish on GU. On GU? On GBP?
Yeah.
Really? What time? I just checked this.
At 15 minutes or something.
Let's see this. Low, medium, low. It looks like low impact. Let's go over to the.
I'm on Forex Factory.
Oh God. So 45
on that
minutes.
No. Yeah. On that no.
It's fine though. Bank of England due to speak of the British Chambers. Interesting. Interesting. Thanks for pointing that out, Trip.
Yeah.
So,
You're like,
everyone,
oh, shit.
YouTube chat, Zoom chat, everyone, look at my screen. 15 minute, 30 minute. All I'm looking for as of now, as you can see, big liquidity grab in this area to have that sell off. We've now retraced back up to create that right shoulder, broke and now retested. So I definitely see these sells off of this demand. Let's go to the 5 minute. Which 5 minute demand I have? That one, retest this one. Let's just remark it up. Tapped in. So price. So once again, guys, if this was the supply we're looking to take it off of, we had that bullish rejection off of it. Now we're taking the bearish candle low. I personally, once again, why I'm not in this trade, I want a bearish close into a bearish candle low. What does that mean? We tap in the supply, but it was a bullish candle. Now that we're obviously bearish, we are breaking lows, but we need a bearish candle low. And the next bearish candle needs to respect the highs, not break the candle highs, and then break the bearish candle lows to validate more further sells. Which I hope it doesn't sell go too far. When's the next time you're coming to the Bay, Nate?
Potentially this Saturday.
Oh, no way. We'll have to find out the time we can meet up.
Are you open this weekend?
I don't know, but I'll always make time for you, bro. I'm down. What is this weekend?
Because the work that's going on this weekend is quick in and out bullshit.
Let's see real quick. This weekend will be the 20th, 21st. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. I
let you
at
know
least want to get like
later on.
lunch or something. I'll bring like a joint or something. We'll just smoke a joint and eat or something.
Sounds good.
I just want like a
Yeah.
big like Nate hug.
Well, the work that I'm doing is at Goldman Sachs building in downtown San Fran.
Oh, and Fight Eye Fire.
Yeah.
Sure. Dope.
So
like
I'll
10,
already be right there.
yeah, like 10 minutes from there. Drew's coming out to visit me soon. I'm super excited.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna have a slumber party.
Mostly cuddle and like, you know, we'll trade a little bit, but mostly just like cuddle and hang.
Yeah.
I'm kidding, kinda.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Dude, you're on the East Coast, bro. I can imagine. You're a trooper, bro. 5 a.m. right now for you. Oh, no, but you're in New Mexico. Fuck.
Yeah, it's 3.
You're
It's not
still used
bad.
to your East Coast time, though. On the 15-minute, I shorted gold at the break of the 15-minute low. It is clean. Build different. Build different. I completely agree with your sells. And guess what? If it fakes out, I don't know what to tell you. This has been like clear breakout central. Look, this lower high again to then break structure. Because in my opinion, this is what validates the sells for me. And this is why like I'm glad you kind of got in. Was you see this break? This is the real break of the zone to then retrace back into it and then re-break lows, validating it. So it's like if you really trace back in to then re-break highs and shit, it's just like, bro, it's like, are you fucking kidding me? I just feel bad for like breakout traders for people who are just like fucking in here just getting eaten up, which you know, I've been getting eaten up too, but I hate to be a risk to reward guy because at the end of the day, I'd just follow market structure. But if I would have held my full position to GU to where I ended up, because I closed partials. I would have closed full after I closed partials. Oh shit. Then I would have actually made up a lot of the losses that I took, which is ideal. You know what I'm saying? You take these like 1K loss, 1.5K loss, 1K loss, 1.5K loss. Well, guess what? You make 5K in a night. What is that 1.5K good loss going to say? It's going to say, be quiet, little boy. Pipe down. But I didn't do that, so I can't really talk shit because I didn't close. But just something I'm just voicing to you guys out there because I'm trying to help you guys as well. Not being greedy.
No, facts.
Yeah, I was in
A
GU and
wise
Jeter
man.
last night too, but I closed way before you needed a couple dubs. Yeah, good shit. Perfect. I closed partial, so I closed a full percent, but I left. I mean, I closed like 1.5%, but I left like a low key a whole percent running, just because if I go back to GU where we took these buys, um, it was the potential. We hit TP1. I was like, what are the chances that after we break these highs, that we come back in, make a lower high to continue bullish and continue to break highs? I was like, that's a higher likely chance than for it to break highs and retrace all the way back down. Well, guess what it did? Broke these highs, formed an M, just to retrace all the way back down. So, you know, I was right because I hit TP and I still secured a percent, but I would have made like, I mean, fuck. Once again, see this like line in the middle that I have marked up? This is where my TP was. It was past TP2 because I scroll over. This is an area at TP2 that I would see a reaction on due to the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame of this little order block. So that's just the only reason I had my TP set there, but it ended up actually hitting me break even. Which once again I'm cool with. I'll tell you guys every time. I'm not gonna lie about shit. I'm just tell you guys straight up. GU gold. Yeah, no gold. Cells do look fucking clean, low key. 5 minute. Can we mark up this? Let's just delete this honestly, just not confuse myself. And just go for current price action, which was there's this demand, but this demand is part of the breaker structure. I'm just mark up this. I'm a savage. No imbalance. So anyone out there? One person I was with literally earlier was telling me, he's like, bro, I had no idea what fucking fair value gaps were until I started watching you. Someone who I was with in person. I was like, bro, I'm telling you. Fair value gaps, like liquidity order blocks with fair value gaps right there. Bro, come on. It's cake. Right, Nate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, brother, I'm a slide.
Yes, sir, brother.
I'll catch y'all tomorrow night.
Yeah,
Good luck
sorry it
on
was a
any
late
trades
one. I
you might
appreciate
take.
you. Yeah, no, you're the man.
No, you guys are good, bro. This is trading, bro.
Can't force it every night. No, I appreciate you. Yeah. Hope I see you again
Never, my
tomorrow.
guy. Yes, sir. We'll do.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Peace
Peace.
out, boys.
Dude, Nate, I'm gonna be like super embarrassed after the stream going back to like look at the period of time where I kind of just like disappeared. That was like so weird.
It happens.
It was
You still
weird. I've
on
never had that
YouTube?
happen. Yeah, I'm still on YouTube.
I'm surprised you already are. You're at your end of your trading hours.
I know it's 15 minutes past, but
We
it's one
had
of
to
those
wait to see
things
what
where
I was
it's
gonna
like,
do.
yeah, we have like the London and the Asia lows right here. see if we're gonna break it or if we're gonna retrace. Do you think we're just gonna continue to sell through all the way down to here? There's a lot of probably orders down. You got to think how many buyers from this market that are coming all the way back down about to get break even. And crazy. What a
Yeah, that's
volume.
what I was worried about whenever I was talking, reflecting on me taking that gold trade. I should have waited for confirmation where it rebroke those highs.
What are you
Or
in? Where are you in
no,
from?
my gold buys,
Yeah, but
I
like
got
from where?
stopped out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because already broke lows. How mad would you be if it stopped you out and then went back into profit for the TP?
It would be my experience with trading.
Yeah, I was about to say. No, it's kind of a trick. It's kind of a trick question. I actually wanted to see what you're gonna say to that. But this closure is basically like super not ideal, but like what has been happening is it's just been super just wiki hella wicks to then go in the opposite direction. But then for short term to maybe even end up going in your direction. So it's like fuck. Oh, that's what
Yeah,
trading is so annoying. But that's why obviously like higher time frames might have been helping you out more. You know what I'm saying? I was back testing with Emmett today and not looking at the 1 minute and I'll looking at just the 15 to 5. It's like I really like notice that I am looking at the 1 minute only when I'm like looking for an entry or already in a trade, which can psych you out sometimes, for sure.
I actually removed the 1 minute.
From your favorites, fire.
Yeah,
Shit, yeah, the exact
I
reason why I was
usually go
explaining.
4 hour, 1 hour, 15 and 5.
Yeah,
It's been working for me.
it's perfect. So everyone, G, listen up. I'm obviously super tired, and I was obviously yawning. But think about this. Ready? G, breaking lows. If we do not continue to break these lows, or even if we do a little bit, drop down to a lower time frame, like the 5 and 1 minute. Wait for that W, and then do you guys see this trend line I have marked up? We've only hit it once. We hit it twice, which is right here, but it happened pretty immediately after. We've had that bearish move. We're in this bearish channel, then tap again, and we've moved back down. From this point, what I look for is that retrace back up to the trend line. Why? Because the coming times we touched it, if we come back up and retest it, continue down, further sells. If we can break and retest it, guess what? That's what Mamba is going to be taking every single time. Every single time. You guys see what the MAs are doing now? Which is perfect. You know what I'm saying? It's like a no trade range. It's not next to the SMAs. It's not pushing price down. It's not tapping it, all that type of stuff. It's basically at this point waiting for the ASMA to hit and wait for that rejection to then take further sells or buys at break and retest to take further buys, whatever it is. In my opinion, as of now, when I'm looking at GJ, we're losing a lot of volume and we're at a big rejection area. So even if we were to break these lows, which is low-key very likely, we're going to take these lows to then distribute back up in the different direction. If you don't distribute distribute distribution 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 think about the way to say it. If you don't know what distribution is, you can come watch the video, or there's a really good playlist. I actually have a really good link actually to a playlist you guys can watch. So
Displacement.
oh fuck, I know I was saying that.
Sorry.
Wait, but what did I say? I said
You said distribution.
But distribution and displacement are different. So distribution is after it already is accumulated and then distributes after taking stops. Distribution, wait, or displacement is when it
Displacement is the push for
is
the
the
break.
push that breaks destruction to then
Okay,
tap back in. Yeah,
got it. My bad.
sorry. No, you're good, bro. I'm fucking tired, so I could say something wrong, but you're completely right. It's like it's similar but different. Similar but different for sure. GJ, I mean, yeah, we could put GJ sell stops, whatever. We're sort of bearish or bullish markets of taking those sells into those MAs, but we've already kind of rejected off of this area. So I always say that like you got to anticipate what the MAs are going to do. MAs are lagged, guys. If you guys don't think MAs are lagged, then you're wrong. Do I use MAs? I love MAs. I use the 8, 50, and 200 due to the fact that I've always used them. You find good reactions off these areas. By the end of the day, they're lagged. One thing that's really cool to use though is waiting for it to kind of consolidate, get close together, and it'll have a big move in one direction, and you can kind of anticipate the move back with the move or kind of whatever based on that move. So like you guys can kind of see that we were at this bullish move, turn bearish. Now that we're meeting back up with the 200, we know that at this point we're in kind of a squeezing point, quote unquote squeezing. What does that mean? Price is kind of squeezing behind the MAs and this box. I'm not going to draw it up because it'd be confusing, but you can kind of see within the Asian range, we're just in this kind of consolidation box where price is not broken out yet. So once you get that breakout for London, uh, we'll look for it. I have these cells still marked up and delete them just to kind of show you guys. But you see, we have equal highs here. I wouldn't call these equal lows, but we have pretty equal lows here. So whatever kind of direction price wants to move in, I'm gonna have my alert set to take the trade. But as of now, I'm just kind of waiting. I'm gonna set these here. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. YouTube chat. I see a lot of you guys probably left whatever, but you guys are all the goats. I appreciate you guys all. I'm gonna finish the Zoom off just with VIP to see if we catch a Zoom or catch a trade. I'm gonna stay on for another 9 minutes, but you guys are all the goats on YouTube. You guys are fucking awesome. Hope you guys come back up tomorrow. Tomorrow's me Wednesday. Already back on YouTube. I hope to see you guys.